Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Introduction to Java Programming. Say, I am starting Java tutorial for beginners, full course. In this course, first chapter, theory chapter, Introduction to Java Programming. See, this full course, Java tutorial for beginners, is useful for software developers, software testers, and other IT professionals. Okay, Java tutorial for beginners, first chapter, Introduction to Java Programming. See, what are the prerequisites for learning Java? See, 15 to 20 years back, people used to say, if you want to learn Java, first learn C++, then it is easy to learn Java like. But nowadays, you can start learning Java without any prior knowledge of programming. Say, you can directly start learning Java without any prior knowledge of programming language. Why? See, nowadays, we have several resources, knowledge sharing, so lot of documentation. So you can start learning Java programming without any prior programming knowledge. Okay, see, the syntax in Java is similar to the syntax of the C and C++. So if you know C or C++, it will be a little bit easier to learn Java technology. Otherwise, no issue. You can start learning Java. Start. Say, Java is a programming language and a platform. Say, programming language. Suppose 60 years old language, senior citizen in this area. Fortran, 60 plus years. COBOL, 60 plus years. C language, 50 years. Suppose our Java, 27 years. Python, 31 years. Okay. Say, Java is a programming language and a platform. Programming language means Java is used to develop software applications. Next, platform. In computer environment, we have two types of platforms. One is software platform, another is hardware platform. Java provides software platform. Suppose if you want to run Java software applications means applications developed using Java technology. See, if you want to run Java applications developed in Java technology, for that Java runtime environment required. Suppose if you want to run JMeter tool in your computer, first you install Java, then you can run your Java application. See, that is platform. One is development programming language. Another is runtime environment platform. So Java is a programming language and a platform. Okay. Next, Java programming language was developed by James Gosling with his team, Green Team, also called as Java team. It was first appeared in 1995. As of now, 27 years old. See, Java programming language was developed by James Gosling with his team, Java team, also called as Green Team, for Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems is the first vendor of Java programming language. Later, in 2010, Java was acquired by Oracle Corporation. Now, current vendor is Oracle Corporation. Okay, Java first appeared in 1995. As of now, 27 years old. Next, Java is a general purpose programming language. What is general purpose programming language? See, Java is not for a specific purpose. For example, SQL is a database language, specific purpose. HTML for web design, specific purpose. XML for data transportation, specific purpose. UML, specific purpose. But our Java is not a domain specific language. It is general purpose programming language. Using Java, you can develop different types of applications. Okay. Next, Java is a high level programming language. C is high level language, high level programming language. C++ high level programming language. Python is high level programming language. Our Java also high level programming language. What is high level programming language? See, in our Java, we write programs using English language terms. For example, if, for, while, do, new, etc. See, system means computer can't understand English language. System point of view, English language is high level language. System knows binary language only, ones and zeros. If you want to write your programs in binary language, takes a lot of time, difficulty. So we use high level language, English, high level language called English for writing our Java programs. Next, compilers compile our high level language, high level code into machine level code or low level code or binary code. Okay. So Java is a high level programming language. Next, Java is an object oriented programming language. See, C language is structured programming language. C++ object oriented programming language. Java object oriented programming language. C# object oriented programming language. Next, Python object oriented programming language. Now, object oriented programming paradigm is a popular paradigm in this area. Say, since Java is an object oriented programming language, then it is easily extensible. Next, Java is platform independent. See, Java supports different types of, or you can say all popular operating environments like Microsoft Windows, next Linux, Solaris, Macintosh, Mac, etc. Okay. Next, platform independent language. For example, VB-script, Microsoft VB-script, platform dependent. Java, platform independent. Okay. Next, our Java slogan is ORA, write once and run anywhere. Suppose if you write some Java programs on Windows operating environment, compile the programs. After that, you can execute these compiled code in Linux, Macintosh, Solaris, etc. Java supported environments. You need not edit the code. That is, write once, run anywhere. Write your programs in any operating environment, compile the code and carry the code to other operating environments and run directly without editing. See, that's why slogan of Java is write once and run anywhere, so that Java is portable language, portable. Next, this is about introduction to Java programming. Next, come to applications of Java programming, or you can say uses of Java or purposes of Java. Purposes of Java. See, Java is used to develop desktop GUI applications. Desktop, suppose Notepad is desktop application, MS Office is desktop applications, but MS Office developed in .NET technology, Notepad developed in .NET technology. Example for desktop applications. Next, Acrobat Reader, desktop application, one-tier application developed in Java technology. Next, mobile applications. See, in mobile software applications, in mobile environment, we have several operating systems, but we have two popular operating environments. One is Android operating environment, another is iOS. Others also there, limited use. See, 90% market share belongs to these two only. See, for Android software development, for mobile applications for Android environment, we can use Java. Android developed in Java technology. So we can develop, Java is used to develop desktop GUI, graphical user interface applications, mobile Android applications, mobile applications. Next, enterprise applications like ERP, banking, insurance, e-commerce, healthcare, telecom, etc. See, nowadays, for developing ERP, enterprise resource planning, is the largest domain in the IT industry in terms of volume, work volume. Next, largest domain in the IT industry in terms of revenue, BFSI, hybrid domain, banking, financial services and insurance. Okay, see, nowadays for developing ERP software, enterprise resource planning software, separate packages available, SAP, Oracle apps, Microsoft Web Dynamics and other softwares available. That is the importance of ERP. But using Java also, you can develop ERP software, but time taking, difficult to process. But if it is SAP, Oracle apps, you can easily customize that package and create applications. Okay, enterprise applications. Java is used to develop enterprise applications like ERP, banking, insurance, e-commerce, healthcare, telecom, etc. Next, scientific applications. See, for scientific applications, better programming is Anaconda. Python plus R languages implementation is Python Anaconda. It is best for scientific applications, and our Java also used for scientific applications. For example, satellite launching application, satellite monitoring application, etc. Next, web applications. See, for developing websites, we can use Java. Embedded systems. For developing embedded systems means inserting software components into devices, electronic devices and mechanical devices. Suppose in lift, software programming is there, that is embedded system. Suppose for fridge, internal software components are there for operating the fridge device. Next, for washing machine, television set-top box, telephone coin box. Nowadays, telephone coin box slowly getting outdated. All these are embedded systems. Suppose in banking area, ATM banking is the best example for embedded software, embedded system. See, software components insert into devices, they operate, software components operate that device. Suppose ATM software operates that ATM machine. Okay. Next, big data technologies. Big data means huge amount of data. It may be structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. See, nowadays data is not only structured data. Suppose SQL supports only tabular format, relational database management systems. But nowadays SQL is not enough for handling data. SQL plus no SQL equals to big data. SQL, relational databases, means tabular format. No SQL, non-relational databases. Okay, for example, Facebook. In Facebook, they use different types of data. You send messages, message is data. Suppose you send images, image is data. Audio file is data. Video file is data. Graphics is data. Say, this one, stock exchanges use big data, huge amount of data. Social networking sites use big data. Okay, big data means huge amount of data. SQL plus no SQL, or you can say structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. For big data also, Python and our Java also used for some programming. Next, distributed applications, business distributed applications. For example, online banking is distributed application. Suppose if you send some money from your account to your friend, that can be reflected in your online banking application, ATM banking application, and branch automation application, etc. See, centralized banking server is there. Using that centralized banking server, different applications will run. Branch automation application, ATM banking application, next online banking application, etc. These are distributed applications. Next, cloud-based applications. Cloud, suppose data storage in cloud. Suppose Gmail is cloud-based application. Next, Google Drive is best example for cloud-based application. See, we can store our data in Google Cloud, that is Google cloud-based application. Google Drive. Next, web servers and application servers. See, to develop web servers and application servers also, our Java is used. For example, web servers, Apache web server, Tomcat web server, IIS web server. IIS web server that supports .NET technology. Next, Java web server is there. Next, application servers, example, WebLogic, WebSphere, etc. Next, software tools. See, some software test tools developed in Java technology. Example, Selenium developed in Java, QTP developed in .NET, VC++.NET. Next, JMeter developed in Java technology. Next, Jira developed in Java technology. Okay. Next, gaming applications. Next, smart cards, etc. Next, this is primary purpose of Java programming for software development. Secondary purpose also there. Automated testing. Automated testing with Selenium. See, Java with Selenium for functional test automation. Next, Java with APM for mobile test automation. Java with RFT for functional test automation. Java runtime required for JMeter. Java runtime for Jira server side, for client side not required, it is web application. Next, Java compatibility for Cucumber tool, etc. Next, last topic in this chapter, Java environment. Java development Java development environment or Java programming environment. Java development or programming environment, or some people say simply Java environment. Java environment is required to write and execute Java programs. Say, if you install Java software, then you can't start writing Java programs. Why? Java doesn't have built-in editor to write and execute programs. Suppose if you download and install Python software, then you can start learning Python. Python has built-in editor, IDLE, integrated development and learning environment, or you can say Python shell. But our Java doesn't have built-in editor. If you download and install Java, that is not sufficient for writing and executing Java programs. See, first to download Java software, full software, JDK, Java Development Kit. See, JRE is there, Java Runtime Environment, only for executing Java applications. Next, JVM is there, Java Virtual Machine, that we will discuss in another video. Java Virtual Machine, that is only for compilation. JDK is full software. JDK includes JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE includes JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So if you have JDK, then you will have all components, JRE, JVM, all. So JDK is full software. See, to write and execute Java programs, install JDK. Already we discussed Java is a cross-platform. Java supports all popular operating environments. You download your operating system compatible Java software. Suppose mine is Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Forget about Windows 7, 10, 11, etc. Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, 64-bit. That is the classification. I have to download Windows 64-bit compatible software from oracle.com or java.com, previous vendor. Next, after downloading and installing, that is very simple process. You can download exe file for Windows and install. Next, set Java environment variable in the OS environment. In order to access Java software from any directory in your computer, you need to set that environment variable path. But nowadays, all latest versions of Java are setting up the OS environment automatically. Auto setup of environment variable. Auto setup. Earlier, 3-4 years back, we used to set up that Java environment variable. Nowadays, auto setup for environment variable. Next, download Eclipse Ide and extract. Eclipse Ide also open source. Eclipse Ide integrated development environment. You download Eclipse Ide. Eclipse Ide also cross-platform. You download your operating system compatible Eclipse Ide and extract some Eclipse Ide. We have several flavors of Eclipse Ide. Some Eclipse Ide flavors don't require installation, ready to use software. Just download zip file and extract and ready to use. Some flavors may be required that installation. Okay, what is Eclipse Ide? It is a platform to write and execute Java programs. Actually, it was developed for writing and executing Java programs, for developing Java software applications. But nowadays, separate plugins available for supporting other programming languages also. See, nowadays Eclipse Ide is for writing and executing programs like Java, C++, Python, Perl, PHP, etc. For Java, you need not install any plugin. Suppose if you want to run or if you want to write and execute Python programs in Eclipse, you need to install PyDev, PyDev, PyDev plugin for Python support. For Java, no support required. See, this is about introduction to Java programming. And one more thing, Java has three or four editions, three important editions: Java Stand Edition or Core Java, Java Enterprise Edition or Advanced Java, next Java Micro Edition for small devices like mobiles, etc. That we will discuss later. First, we need to concentrate on, or we need to learn Core Java or Java Stand Edition. Core Java, this term is public term, but in that vendor site, oracle.com, previous vendor, Sun Microsystems, java.com, you can't find this term Core Java. Core Java is not a official term. It is public term. So first you learn Java SE, Java Standard Edition or Core Java. Then we can focus on Advanced Java. Suppose if you want to learn Micro Edition, etc. For everything, means for Advanced Java or Micro Edition, Core Java is mandatory. Thank you.